our preschool area. It's for our 3 to 5 year olds. And we have the different areas. So we have the writing area, math area. This is more of our creative painting. We have understanding the world. Here as well. We have a bit more writing, and here we encourage children to write their names and practice their letters together. And then we have our famous reading corner, which the children actually love. We really love books in Cherish Childcare, and that lends to the bespoke books that we will be doing. This is our Cherish mascot.
Yeah.
We're yet to name him. And this is our little doll's house that the children love to play in. So this is our mainly construction area where they really get into role here, the boys especially. They put on the hats and they're trying to build and fix the cars with the tyres, and then the younger ones actually hide in those tyres, which is quite funny. Here's the resources. They're accessible to the children. I mean, we encourage them to just tell us what they want rather than pulling it out, but then we work together to pack away and so forth. This is called our Blossom area, so the classroom for the preschoolers is called Blossom.
Yeah. Where have you sourced most of the stuff from? Where have you got them?
The resources?
Yeah.
eBay, Amazon, community playthings. So
Do you have like your favourite item that you bought in the preschool area?
do I have a favourite item? I think it's the board, because I really like the children to write. So that whiteboard, I really like when I see them writing their letter formation.
Yeah.
So that's...
Oh, it's really nice. They can draw on the walls.
Yeah, exactly. This is our baby area. This is called Serenity.
Yeah.
Because we like to exercise peace and encourage them to be calm in here. We have lots of sensory toys. This area is for 3 months to just 1 year olds. But we only have 2 children in here at the moment, but we can hold up to 5.
Okay.
This is our staff information board. So we have our menu, parents' information, our monthly topics, and so forth. And then this would be our toddler area. So from 1, they can come, if they're confident and comfortable, they can come up here. And this is where we do a lot of music, a lot of role play, a lot of dressing up.
So what do you do in the different areas that separate from babies and preschoolers?
Okay, so we usually choose a story that we can translate to all of the different areas, to all of the different areas. So say, for instance, we had the Gruffalo's child. In the toddlers area, we could be dressing up as the Gruffalo and doing role play. In the baby area, we could be using musical instruments and sensory toys to just make sounds of what the Gruffalo might sound like while telling the story, of course. And then in the preschool area, we will also be reading the Gruffalo, but then we could be trying to make up our own ending of the story, or just getting them to use their imaginations on drawing what they think the Gruffalo might look like. And yeah, we have this climbing frame which they like to practice their stunts on. And we obviously encourage safety.
Yeah.
And yeah,